Hello and welcome to Anatomy with Dr. P. In today's video, we're going to be taking a microscopic view of the liver. Now, before we get into naming everything, let's get an idea of what we're actually looking at. So if we look on this side of the model, notice how we have all of these hexagonal shaped structures. They kind of look like stop signs. These are the anatomical units of the liver, which we refer to as a hepatic lobule. Now imagine that I cut a pizza wedge slice out of this hepatic lobule, and I take that little pizza wedge slice and I blow it up. That's what we're looking at here. So this is one corner of the hepatic lobule. Now when I zoom in on that hepatic lobule, notice how I can see all of these little cube-shaped cells. All of these cube-shaped cells are known as hepatocytes. Remember, the term hepato means liver, so the word hepatocyte literally means liver cell. Now, if I look at the corner of my hepatic lobule, so over here in the more zoomed out view, I can see these three vessels bundled together. Here's three vessels bundled together. Here's three vessels bundled together. Here's three vessels bundled together. Or I can look over here at the more zoomed in view and see three vessels bundled together. These three vessels that are packaged together at the corner of my hepatic lobules are known as the portal triad. Remember, tri means three because we're talking about three vessels. The first vessel in our portal triad is this red vessel here. This red vessel is a branch of the hepatic artery proper. This is carrying oxygen-rich blood into the liver. The second vessel I can see is this big purple vessel here. Now, the easy way to remember this, think purple P, because this is a branch of the hepatic portal vein. So portal vein is purple, hepatic portal vein. The hepatic portal vein is going to be carrying deoxygenated but nutrient-rich blood from the abdomen. So it's going to be draining our small intestine, our large intestine, our stomach, the pancreas, and spleen. All of those organs send their blood to the liver first so that the liver can clean up any potential toxins and start to really digest any food that's present in the blood. The last vessel that makes up our portal triad is this green one here. This is a bile ductule or bile duct. You'll see it either way. Ductule just means small duct. So the bile duct or bile ductule, the branch of the hepatic portal vein, and the branch of the hepatic artery proper, those three vessels together make up our portal triad. Now notice how our hepatic artery proper and the hepatic portal vein, they're both dumping their blood into this series of capillaries here. The series of capillaries that runs between the hepatocytes is known as the sinusoids. Now, sinusoids are capillaries that have very large holes in them, and that gives these hepatocytes great access to the blood so they can process any nutrients that are present, they can detoxify any harmful substances. Now, all of those sinusoids are going to flow towards the center of our hepatic lobule, and once they get to the center of the hepatic lobule, they're going to drain into a central vein. So the central vein collects all of the blood in the sinusoids, and that central vein is going to eventually drain back to a hepatic vein, which empties the now clean blood into our inferior vena cava.